You've been asking in the entire show in the chat the item number because you didn't want to wait. You knew they probably wouldn't last. You're very smart. This is so playful. I love to decorate for the holidays, especially those little pieces for in the kitchen, you know, around the stove. And look what Tesher brought to us. These were so popular when you did it for like harvest time.
Yes.
And you brought them back with new whimsical icons. In fact, if you picked up the whimsy dinner plate,
sure,
the same icons are in these kitchen towel and mitt sets.
Yes.
They're stinking adorable. And like I said, already 300 sets sold. But this is the only order of the year. Once they're gone, they are gone.
That's right.
And they're on 6 easy payments of $4.25.
I love these. I have to say, these are kind of like your helpers in the kitchen. So just to talk a little bit about the technology, we took our ever popular mitt and we married it with our ever popular microfiber, and we created what we call our Mitt Towel Set. It hangs over the loop anywhere in your kitchen, including on your belt loop if you want to wear them. And then they are fixed together by a snap, Stacey. So all you're going to do is unsnap them when you want to use them. Then that piece becomes the mitt. This is now your oven mitt, in and out of the oven, everywhere you need to go. You can use the towel still separately so you don't lose either function. And then when you want to go ahead and snap them back together, you snap them back together and they are good to go. You're getting 2, and we have brand new characters.
Okay,
today.
The towels, by the way, 16 inches wide, 22 inches long. I know you would ask me that in the chat. And then I'm going to update as we go through the choices because this has been so popular already.
So we're going to start with our Wimbley over here. He's sitting in his snow globe. There is silicone. His entire body is silicone. The snowflakes are silicone, so it provides that non-slip grip that so many of you love. And then he has the white plush microfiber towel set of 2.
All right, 3,200 left in the reindeer choice. Of course, you all named him Wimbley.
Wimbley, yes. Then, of course, we have our penguin next door to there. That's going to have your reds. That's going to have your greens. There you can see that sheen you're seeing is the silicone. So completely encased in silicone, providing that non-slip grip. There's the detail of the cardinal there, the beautiful red snowflakes. And then his towel, or her towel, we don't know yet. We're going to name her next, him next. There's your red towel with the trim.
They already started naming the penguin in the chat. The penguin and the snowman. And so far, the lead is Penny the penguin.
Oh, Penny.
Yes,
Love
so we
Penny.
think she's a girl.
Okay.
All right.
Then we come on down to our snowman. So our snowman is so adorable, holding the Christmas tree, has that great detail of the scarf, the pops of the blue. This is such a great gift for someone on your list. And I love the snowman because it's meant to be out all season long.
I love the old world and his scarf
Isn't
and
he
mitts.
adorable?
Okay, he's our most popular right now, and we got to come up with a name. I was thinking Mr. Jingles for
Ooh,
the snowman.
Mr. And he needs a Mister.
Right?
I
Don't you think
agree.
that top hat
I
on, of
agree. And then named we just rolled it out today. This is our adorable gingerbread named Gumdrop. So thank you for all of that. Again, that beautiful white background, you're going to put these right in the washing machine to wash them. That super plush, super lush microfiber of ours that so many of you love and love to collect are coordinated in the towels. If you're picking up more than one set, these towels all have the same color combo. You can mix and match and not have to worry about what towel goes with what.
Only 1,800 left if you want the gingerbread
Gumdrop?
man. Okay, and then, of course, I'm grabbing
All
these
that's
right
remaining.
away.
Yes.
Oh, my gosh, the buffetti.
That's so cute.
Look at the ghost. Oh, my God, and the bats and the spider webs.
Yes.
400 available, then it's gone. And then we have pumpkin also.
Yes.
600 available. K49130, 1,400 orders have now been placed. We are super busy, so I'm going to ask you to jump ahead of the line, get what you want in. Please go to QVC.com or use the apps on your mobile devices. That'll be the quickest way to get your order in. But these, I was feeling them. They're softer and fluffier than I think the previous version.
Yes, they are. So we took all of your feedback, and what you loved about it was you wanted a super plush, super lush microfiber. So I'm wearing it here on my side, Stacey. You can hook it right on your belt loop, not just again to hook it onto the side of your oven. And that's when you're in the kitchen and you need to wipe your hands real quick. How nice to just have it right there. But the best part is that they detach from each other. So when it's time to go to the oven, and I always recommend, guys, the best way to detach them, take the tab here, take the tab here. You got to start singing. Penny, Penny
like
the
spirit
penguin.
fingers, but Penny the penguin.
All right, I'm going to go
there.
to the oven.
Okay, awesome.
Look.
2,000 orders now placed. I would not wait on this. You need to be on the line right now because, again, there is no more orders coming in. This is all we have for the season. This is what you want to have in your kitchen to make it cheerful, playful. This is what you want to gift to the baker, to the cook in your life, to the foodie, to anybody who just loves the playfulness of the holidays and bringing back that childhood charm.
Yes, and what I love about it is they're practical and they're they're useful. And you can put them in the washing machine when you want to go ahead and wash them. They're used as decorative, but they're also so practical to what you were saying in the fact that, again, not only are you getting those great set of mitts that you just saw me come out of the oven at 500 degrees, but you have the great towels as well. And so you can literally throw that towel over your shoulder and you have it with you the whole time you're cooking.
And the silicone on this is no joke. It's not like you speckled a little bit in there. This is going to give you a nice solid grip. So if you have that big Lagostino roasting pan filled with 4 pounds of pasta, you're going to be able to pull that out of the oven and get it to the table.
Right.
How about the pot of boiling water
And
as you're boiling the pasta?
There's the boiling pasta, and notice that I can actually put that boiling pot, I can slide my hand right under there because of the silicone, because of the technology, because of course the way it's lined on the inside with those great snaps. I'm telling you guys, you will love these.
All right, more than 3,000 orders now placed. Again, we have our best easy pay on this. If these would ever make it on air again, you might not have that 6 easy payment. So it's $4.25 to get home. We got to give you updates on your choices. So this is the Reindeer.
That's our Wembley.
2,800 remaining, and that is it. I know it's October. You're not maybe thinking decorating for Christmas, but you want to get this home now because when November rolls around, it could be gone. Here's our penguin, Penny. 2,800 available in the penguin. Snowman, Mr. Jingles, most popular. I love you. 3,600. That's not the official name. I'm doing that
Penny,
now for
we got
the chatters.
Mr. Jingles. I'm ready. I'm with you.
Okay, but we do have an official name for a gingerbread man.
Gumdrop.
For Gumdrop. 1,400 available. If you want a pumpkin, excuse me, I have 250 left. This is going to be gone. And then if you want Buffetti, 250. This one won't last either. Again, you're getting 2 of the mitts. You're getting 2 of the towels that coordinate and hook together, so you always have the pieces. But this is great if you use your Oster ovens or your KitchenAid countertop ovens. It's great for full size. It gives you complete protection because they're thicker and fluffier. So you get a better grip, better heat protection, better design.
Yep, and they're decorative, which is so nice. And they pull right apart with that great snap. So the microfiber, of course, all of your stainless steel appliances, we have a beautiful enamel on steel. You're able to go in and out of the oven and use them, bring them to the table, use that mitt then as a trivet if you want, or the towel as a trivet if you want. And there's what I love, wearing it on my belt loop so that I can literally just keep wiping my hands the whole time that I'm cooking.
So brilliant, because I'm always searching for a towel to wipe my hands after cutting an onion or juicing a lemon. They always get wet. And I need something quick. And you know what? It slows you down when you're searching for the towel. It's right there.
And you can't find it.
And look at how easily you can just gift this. You know, get a little plastic wrap, put a little bow around it, and then you're
bow
good
and
to go.
Taking, of course, your favorites of course, our mitts and our towels with a cute little snap, microfiber. Oh, hey, how you doing?
Which one?
So cute.
You Reindeer.
What's his voice sound like? Go.
Wembley.
Oh
my. Sounds like this.
He's a reindeer going through puberty, like my son Ben.
When it's time to change.
4,500 now ordered and spoken for. If you want the Reindeer, Wembley, 2,600 available, and that is it. If you want the penguin, 2,500. Snowman, 3,300. And gingerbread man, 1,300. The pumpkin, 4 dozen left. That'll be gone. And Buffetti, 150. Please save me 1 set. I need Buffetti. We love Halloween in our house. Super adorable. Tara.
Thank you.
So much fun.
Oh, always a good time.
I can't wait for the Easter holidays.
Oh.
How much you'll do that.
Wait till you see.